A mother walks into court facing felony child injury charges, but then prosecutors suddenly drop multiple counts and reduce the case. What evidence changed everything? And how will the judge decide her fate? Stay until the end to witness every tense courtroom moment.
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. It's like we just saw each other the other day.
Like 5 days in a row.
Yeah. All right. The court is calling 2025 CR 005418-02. Could I have parties announced for the record?
For the state of Texas. Good afternoon, Judge Alfonso Cabañas for the defendant.
All right. And we have an interpreter here. If you could raise your right hand for me, please. Do you solemnly swear and affirm that you will faithfully translate from English into Spanish and Spanish into English, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand if you'll state your name for the record.
Cesar Chavez, last number 2203.
And are you Miss Leonor?
Yes.
Counsel, all of the documents I'm reviewing with your client, they're in English. Were you able to review those with her in Spanish?
I did, Your Honor.
And do you speak Spanish fluently?
See.
Gracias. De nada. Just throwing that out there. All right. Miss Leonor, all of the documents that I'm going to review with you are in English. Were those documents explained to you in Spanish?
Yes.
All right, counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I did receive it, Judge, and I did review it with my clients.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Lenore, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor. The state will be waiving counts 2 and 3 of the indictment. Additionally, Your Honor, in count 1, there's paragraph A and B. The state will be electing paragraph D. However, we'll be proceeding on the lesser included of paragraph B, which is injury to a child caused bodily injury by omission.
All right, so let me make sure I have this correctly. You're waiving counts 2 and 3.
Yes, sir.
Any objection?
No objection to waiving counts 2 and 3, Your Honor.
All right, in counts 1, you're proceeding under paragraph A?
B. Your Honor.
B,
Yes,
okay. And you're waiving paragraph A.
correct.
And under paragraph B, you're proceeding on the lesser included offense.
Yes, Your Honor. And I'll represent to this court in our preparation of this case. It initially came in as a serious bodily injury. However, in our pre-trials with Dr. Kassoum, who's our expert on child abuse, she gave us the opinion that the injuries suffered by the infant in this case were not life-threatening. The brain bleed was not life-threatening, and therefore she did not, in her expert opinion, believe that it was serious bodily injury.
Okay. All right. Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
All right. The state is proceeding on count 1, paragraph B, the lesser included offense of injury to a child, bodily injury by omission as a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. In this case, is there an application?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, because it says on here the state will make no recommendations.
I was unaware if there was going to be an application or not.
No, there's no application.
Okay, so any objection to the court just drawing a line through that?
No objection, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
She does.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe she is.
Miss Lenore, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense. They're asking that your punishment be assessed at a cap of 8 years solid, which means the court can sentence you anywhere from 2 to 8 years. And the state is not going to tell me what they want your sentence to be, just that it's a cap of 8. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with the following persons: affirmative finding of family violence. You're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition, or to be designated as primary custodial parent.
Yes.
Did you understand that to be the entirety of your agreement?
Yes.
State defense, is that the agreement?
That is the agreement.
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense and the lesser included offense and count 1, paragraph B, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. The first piece of evidence, there are 3. The first is the stipulations that the court has in front of it, State's Exhibit 1. The state also would offer State's Exhibit 2. These are medical records. Seal, Your Honor.
Okay.
No, Judge, the states 1 or states 2 under seal, Your Honor.
Finally, Your Honor, State's Exhibit 3. Provided by this defendant to law enforcement. It has been translated by a certified translator. It provides to the defense in a timely manner.
And no, Judge, the states 3.
All right. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, if you understand, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent.
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same.
It's 2 and 3, Your Honor, as well.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right, after reviewing States Exhibits 1 and attachments and also States Exhibits 2 and 3, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you all proceeding with sentencing, or do you want to set it for a PSI? Or if you want to set it for a PSI, how much time will we need, Ms. Abrams? 6 to 8 weeks. Or if y'all want to come back in 2 or 3 weeks and y'all bring whatever witnesses you would like to bring.
No, the state has only the two exhibits that have been provided, so the court has sufficient time to review those that the state.
I'm a fast reader. I've read them. So if you want to come back at a different date, counsel,
Sure, that's fine, Judge.
do you want the full 6 to 8 weeks or a full PSI or?
No, Judge, I think 2 to 3 weeks will be.
All right, so 2 to 3 weeks.
Yes, Your Honor.
What's best for you? And Yaya, if you make sure that these two are under seal, and that states Exhibits 2 and 3.
Judge, 2 to 3 weeks will take us into the week of August 3rd, correct?
Yes.
I can do any of the days on August 3rd through the 7th.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, August 3rd through the 7th. All right, August 3rd?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we'll come back on August 3rd, and at that time, the court will make its decision. All right, thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
Judge.
you. Do you need me to sign anything?
We're good. Thank you, Judge.
All right, thanks.
What sentence do you think the judge should give in this case? Share your opinion in the comments below. If you enjoy real courtroom trials, legal breakdowns, and dramatic verdicts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next courtroom story.